All right, here we go with the review of the study guide. We're going to go over this in class tomorrow before we go into our review activity, our review game. What is meant by global warming is our first question. Global warming is quite simply an increase in Earth's average temperature. What long-term impact could the destruction of large areas of forest have on Earth's atmosphere? So the key thing is going to be the long-term impact of destruction of large areas of forest is increased levels of carbon dioxide. And then we die. What are 4 greenhouse gases that speed up global warming? So, we are looking at carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and ozone. Also CPCs. As global warming continues, the intensity of what type of storm that hits coastlines is predicted to increase. We discussed this a little bit yesterday. It was the primary part of our lesson plan, looking at the type of storm, and it is, of course, hurricanes, driving us insane. Earth's temperatures are stable because we are surrounded by a layer of gases which allows the right amount of sunlight in to warm the Earth. What is the name of this layer of gases? We talked about this. There's a hurricane on Saturn because they have, now some people said water, they have water vapor of some kind, but they don't have a specific water source. But because they have something moving around in the air, they have an atmosphere. What are the gases that help maintain Earth's temperatures and climate called? Some of you are going to think this is a trick question. I promise that it's not. They're called greenhouse gases. The issue we run into is with the enhanced greenhouse effect and excessive greenhouse gases. So greenhouse gases aren't inherently bad. Greenhouse effect is when gases in our Earth's atmosphere help trap just the right amount of heat to regulate and balance the temperature on Earth. Increasing the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere traps too much heat and stops it from escaping into space. This causes the average temperature of the Earth's surface to rise or increase, go up. Any of those are fine answers. Back of the page. Ask a clarifying question that would help you understand what has caused the change to global temperature trends over time. These are our keys for clarifying questions. You should be using these. Think, I notice. As a scientist, I wonder. I wonder if, how does the location affect? For how long has? Can this data be presented as? Can we compare blank and blank? Does blank affect blank? What evidence shows blank? Does blank activity by humans cause more or less blank? Even though the data shows blank, I wonder if blank. That's how you're doing your clarifying questions. You do not want to look at this graph and simply say something like, I wonder what dips right here. Actually, that would be okay. But you don't want to just go, why does it dip? You got to actually consider, I wonder, I question. Use the graphic above to do the following. Name the 4 categories of greenhouse gases that are in the graphic above. This was on the front as well, technically. Methane. Carbon dioxide. Nitrous oxide. Ozone. 3 activities that cause methane to increase in the atmosphere. Okay. So only 3 listed there. Paddy rice cultivation, landfills, and methane-producing bacteria in livestock. Cow burps, cow dumps, that kind of thing. 3 activities that cause carbon dioxide to increase in the atmosphere. And we only have 3 options listed on the top part of this pie chart as well, right here. Burning fossil fuels. Vehicle exhaust. And burning of forest and firewood. So all of those are human impact things. So this has been the review of our study guide, our review sheet for the quiz. The quiz is going to be coming up on Wednesday, February 13th, the day before Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's to you all to have a quiz that day. We are taking a look at this in class. So if you don't look at it overnight, then you're looking at it right now during class. If you did look at it overnight, you're looking at it right now during class. And we will then be moving on to our review activity. Any questions? You can go ahead and ask them on Tuesday. Thanks.